Oh, there he is, look. Mr. Jesus himself, Peruvian Jesus. Check it out, we're in Chorrillos, in Peru. I think it's kind of like a suburb of Lima or something like that anyway. There's a little observatory up there. And there's a cross right there. And that lights up at night time. You probably see it from Larcomar or Miraflores or something like that. Sunset. It's nice, isn't it? There he goes, look. But today we're going to climb up. See what it's like. These are some of the surrounding houses, look. A little bit rough, look. A little bit rough. Let's see if we can get to the top and see what it looks like. Quite excited, actually. And there's the beach, look. A little bit out of breath already. What's she doing? Digging a little hole, I think. Oh, there it is, look. So on the way, there's little benches here, look. A little shrine to something or other. Oh, the Aguirre Gonzalez family. Okay, wow. Look at that in there. A little bit different, isn't it? We're almost there. So we're at the top here. You can see a little Christ Redeemer right through there. It's quite hard to see, but maybe we can take a look. Just beyond the observatory. Wow. It's quite nice up here. So we're at the top over here now. There's a little bell, look. I guess they will ring that at some point when this is all open. There's a little Virgin statue. And here's the main crucifix. Big cross. It lights up at night time. You can see it from a long, long way away. It doesn't matter how high you are in the mountains, you'll always see a perro. Right there. Look at him. He's a mountain perro. So I've got some great views here at the Southern Pacific. But if you go down here, look, you can get a little trail, look. Just at the end of that little nub there, and you can see a little statue, a little Peruvian flag. So we're under the cross itself now. If you feel a little adventurous, you know, you can grab this ladder here and climb it all the way up. It's definitely possible. Now what else we got up here? Look at that view there. So there's a little shop there. I imagine you'd pay a couple more soles per drink or item, but at least you can grab a little something. Let's check out down there. There's a little Christ Redeemer, see what he's all about. It's a little planetarium, look at that. It's alright, isn't it? Let's carry on. Look at this guy, look, he's wielding the Peruvian flag. Without even looking at the sign, it looks like it could be a unknown soldier tomb type deal, but probably very wrong. Let's take a look. Check that out, wow. Let's take a look at what it is. There we go, look. Little coffin-shaped rock in there. Oh no. I think it's a memorial for the military or the defense, something like that. Wow. Check that out, it's amazing, isn't it? Check it out, look. Some rough houses down here. It's like a Peruvian favela or something, isn't it? It reminds me of that mountain in Rimac. I imagine the neighborhoods are a bit sketchy at night time, but yeah, mad, isn't it? That people are kind of living and doing their daily things in there. Let's check out old Jesus. Oh, there he is, look. Mr. Jesus himself, Peruvian Jesus. And then you can get some snacks underneath. But if you have a bit of energy, you can go running off into the mountains. Yeah, nice area really. We're almost at cloud level, or at least smog level, some sort of hazy level anyway. But yeah, you can easily park up here, mountain bike up here, and see pretty much all this side of Peru anyway, like Miraflores, Chorrillos. Yeah, it's a nice, oh, and the sun is just setting, look. Yeah, it's a nice little area. I think it's a nice hike up here. I don't know how safe it is, but it seemed pretty safe for me anyway. Yeah, wow. And you can even get a tuk-tuk there. I imagine you pay a couple soles just to get up the mountain. Wow. Well, the sun's about to set. I hope you enjoyed our brief little tour here of the little mountain in Chorrillos in Peru. We're gonna get back down before it gets dark and we get mugged. El Gringo, yeah, not good. Solamente Gringo. Bad combination. So we're gonna run down and yeah, enjoy the rest of Christmas. Feliz Navidad, Merry Christmas, and thank you for watching. Check out that view.